Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast fluffy. First, choose a sturdy bread like brioche or challah, about 1 inch thick. Next, prepare your batter with eggs, milk, and a touch of cream for richness. Don't forget a pinch of baking powder. It's a secret ingredient for that amazing lift. This foundation is key to achieving truly fluffy French toast. Now let's perfect that batter. Whisk your ingredients until completely smooth, ensuring no egg whites are left unmixed. For an extra boost in texture, incorporate about 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. This helps create a sturdier, fluffier slice. Finally, a dash of vanilla extract and a sprinkle of cinnamon will elevate the taste, making every bite delicious. The soaking process is crucial for fluffy French toast. Dip each slice for about 15 to 20 seconds per side, allowing it to absorb enough batter without becoming soggy. Then, cook on a medium-heat griddle, around 300 degrees Fahrenheit, using butter or oil. This ensures a golden brown exterior and a perfectly cooked, fluffy interior. Patience here yields the best results. Your fluffy French toast is ready. Serve it warm with your favorite toppings like fresh berries and a generous pour of maple syrup. A dusting of powdered sugar adds a lovely finish. Remember, for more kitchen tips and other great deals, check the description below. Also, life's too short for cheap socks, so consider darn tough for their lifetime warranty. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.